So we're driving to a dock that they just put out, and there's a pond at the that it's floating on, and I'm gonna ride my bike down the dock, and then we're gonna put a ramp at the end, and I'm gonna jump off the ramp, and yeah, that's it.
Cool.
Well, bye, I'll see you. So I'm gonna do some practice rounds. So.
Do a run down the... Alright, it's recording. Alright. Will, get you off. Will.
Stand right here.
Will, come on, go somewhere else.
Hold on, let me get ready.
I'm gonna be...
Is the clock ticking?
Yep, now it is.
Wait, you're not going to turn when you're like that. Because you're going to hit the hands.
No, it's not. Look it.
Wait, hold on, let me make sure this is all set. And then run over. Once he jumps, run down so you can see it. Actually stand up so you can chase him as he goes by. Alright. You ready? Go!
It's awesome!
That was pretty cool. That was pretty Alright, how was it?
It was awesome.
You kind of face planted when you landed.
We should have put
Want to do one more?
What?
Want to do another one? You get a different angle?
Sure.
Alright, this time stand right here, Ty, so you can watch him kind of
You're riding a bike in the water. No, I'm not.
Yeah, actually, try to ride it right now.
Did you lose them? They'll float.
I told
They
you,
float.
I said you
Right here, it's behind you.
right behind you, honey.
They floated.
Hey, throw it up to me. Just throw it up to me.
We'll get a couple angles of this, bud. Shot, Will. You alright?
Yeah. Fun. I went.
Shot, Will.